The experience I had was a little conflagration with a house and a delivery truck that struck the corner of my gutter system and damaged it. So the two sides had to be replaced. So I was looking for roofing and gutter specialists. I made an appointment to come out and give me an estimate on what it was going to cost to repair the gutters. They were here the next day, which was really fast, I thought. We went through the whole process and they looked it over and they gave me an estimate to submit to the insurance company. Commenced the job, completed it within an hour and 45 minutes, which I was really astounded at. And they were very polite, courteous. They knew exactly what to do. I was just amazed. And when they finished, they cleaned up, and we've had some rains and since checked the gutters, all fine. Really am pleased with them. And they will be getting my future business when I do a new re-roofing in the future. And I've highly recommended them to a couple of neighbors here in the neighborhood. I think they'll probably be getting a call from them.